on. Try this question. Yes, people. We able to understand question? Come on. Do it. Shall I? Shall I start doing? Or you are trying first? See, same manner what we did in the previous question. I guess these values we know. We have done this question, haven't we? Yeah, see, same question, no? Yes. Try it. You have done this question. Those are done already. Try this question then. Okay, this is, I think, so new for you. Maybe I will give you some new formula for this one. Easy formula, direct. The formation of real image using a biconvex lens is shown below. Okay. If the whole setup is immersed in water without disturbing the object in the screen position, what will one observe on the screen? No change, magnified image, image disappears. Okay, erect image, that is real. Okay. There is a screen here. Okay. So for finding this one, F for liquid, F inside the liquid by F in air, focus in air, refractive index -1 by liquid -1. So how to get this one? NGL means NGA by NGL or LA. Let's take it as refractive index GL equals to the refractive index of GA by the refractive index of LA. Correct, right? It's going from glass, liquid, glass, air to glass, and okay, air and glass and air and liquid. Okay, fine. Yes. Now correct. So if we write this value there, F for liquid, F for air equals to NGA -1 by NGA by NLA -1. Some standard values for NGA is 3/2, NLA is 4/3. We don't know NGL. Is a standard value with respect to air. So 3/2 -1 by 4/3 -1. One by two. LA is this one, so 3/4. It's 3 will cancel, so 1/8 -1. So it is F of liquid by F of air. So F of liquid equals to only why I'm writing -1 already. By 3/2. So 1/8. By 4 means 4. F of liquid equals to 4 F of air. Now, what does it mean now? See, understand this one. Whatever we got value here, we don't have option like this. We need to understand now. We got 4 times of air. Liquid is 4 times of air. In short, whatever focus we have, whatever screen we have formed here, it won't be on the screen. It's more than focus, 4 times of focus. Maximum we can get this 2 times, twice of focus, but it is 4 times of focus. So it won't form here. 4 times means let's assume this side. So it is more than that. It is not focused. So image will disappear from the screen. It won't be visible on the screen. Because maximum it can get 2 times. If focus is 2 times here. Means twice focus is center of curvature. Here we have 4 times. Okay, understood? So this is a new formula for you. Some of you, if you know, it's better. So F of liquid by F of air. So refractive index -1, same way. Okay. You understood what I did here, everyone? Just learn this formula. Formulas you should remember. Adisha, remaining thing you understood? Okay. Idea? Idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Vishwa? Today only 4 joining. Super. This is also, I think, a new question or new formula for you. Maybe let's see how we will solve this. If you know, you can start. You can try first. Okay, next topic I'm planning to start modern physics. It's most important. ठीक है? Yeah. Oscillation completed. No? Yes. Thermo committed. wave optics and ray optics. What's going on? Electricity completed. So I'll start modern physics. Next class. Area? Vishwanath? Mainly I'm asking you both because you both are appearing, right, for next exam, next month exam. So are you thorough with the modern physics? Area? Tell me. Area? Tell me. Vishwa? Yes or no? Tell me. Which chapter shall I do? Modern physics, semiconductors, or electromagnetic wave? Which one? Tell me, Daira, fast. Fast, tell me so I can move next. Are Daira, I'm asking you. Are you there or not? Come on. Semiconductor? Okay. Because semiconductor is left, modern physics is left. Thermodynamics already over, motions over, system over, work energy over, oscillation over, optics over, electricity over. Okay. So these two topics left, main. Okay. The next class will continue with semiconductors or modern physics, whatever you wish. But modern physics has more part, actually more like a more weightage than other chapters. Okay, let's solve this. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. Can you hear me or not? I don't know. I can't see you. is happening? Okay. So unpolarized, okay. Unpolarized light of intensity I passes through an ideal polarizer A. Another identical polarizer B is placed behind A. The intensity of light beyond B is found to be I by 2, half. Now, another identical polarizer C is placed between A and B. Okay, so one is placed between these two, fine. The intensity beyond B is now found to be 1 by 8. The angle between polarizer A and C is, what is it? We don't know. We have to find out. Let's start. Okay, suppose, let me draw. This is A. And there is a B here. So at half intensity, we have one polarizer at some angle, C. So this intensity is I by 2. And this one to be is 1 by 8. I mean I by 8. It's not 1, it should be I. Okay. Let's take this as alpha and this as beta. This angle is alpha, this angle is beta. So intensity I is flowing through it. So Malus equations C equals to this, C equals to I by 2 cos square alpha. Malus law of intensity. And we have for B. B is I by 2, both cos square alpha and cos square beta. Which is equals to B means beta. Sorry, B okay. Which is equals to I by 8. So therefore, what we'll get? 1 by 4 equals to, what will be it? Cos square alpha, cos square beta. So if I get here, if I write here alpha and beta as 45, so I'll get here 1 by 4. Check. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it's 1 by 4. It is cos square. So 45 will give you what? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So it is square means cos 45 whole square, which is 1 by 2. So answer should be 45 degree. These are formulas. Malus law of intensity. For what? Make a note of this formula in your small notebook for finding another angle between two intensities. Make a note. What else? Different type of question I'm searching. Yeah, this is also different. Let's do this. Done writing? Yes or no? Is it new formula for you, intensity and all? Shruti?
Yes, sir.
This is the new formula for you all.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Don't worry, make a note of this formula. We'll do more question like that. What is given here? An angular width of central maximum in a single slit diffraction pattern is 60 degree. Okay. The width of the slit is 1 micrometer. The slit is illuminated by monochromatic plane waves. If another slit of same width is made near it, Young's fringe can be observed on a screen placed at a distance 50 centimeter from the slit. If the observed fringe width is 1 centimeter, what is the slit separation distance? That is the distance between center of each slit. Options we have given. They have given. So angular diffraction, I'll solve this here, don't worry. So diffraction is 60 degree. Okay. What else we have? 1 micro, distance 50. That is 60 degree, means half will be 30 degree. So if I draw one line here, actually this is the diffraction pattern. So this is total deflection is 60, so this will be 30 degree. Okay. So we got one angle, fine. What we'll do with this? Theta, we got it, that is 30 degree, fine. So we have 1 micrometer, that is 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Half lambda equals to a by 2 sine theta. This is for first minima. So first value. So what is the theta? Write theta here, write lambda value, find a. So what do you mean by minima? You know, right? I guess so. Smallest one. Find out lambda here. So a is 10 to the power minus 6. Cos means theta is 30 degree. 2 will get cancelled. So lambda equals to 10 to the power minus 6 by 2. Cos 30 is 1 by 2 meters. Now for second slit, beta value, same way, lambda d by d. So beta is that fridge width. So lambda we got as 10 to the power minus 6 by 2. Beta will be 1. Okay, what else we have? It's given here. 1 centimeter. What else we have here? D, distance. Is 50. Means 50 by 100 or 1 by 100. 1 by 100 equals to 10 to the power minus 6 by 2d into 50 by 100. So d equals to, if I cancel all this, 2, 100 cancel, so 15 to the power 6. 25 micrometer. We have option, yes. This is for first minimum value. This is for second. Now you will be thinking, what is this minimum value? It is the interference, which is like when you see the diagram here, this is the first interface we got it. Interference. I mean to say. first interference at first minima and second interference, that is second slit. When this second slit comes in the question, that's what we are going. That's what we are seeing here. Another slit of Young's fringe, and the fringe is given as beta is given as 1 lambda d by d. So your d is the distance. Okay, and small d is the diameter of that slit, or distance, diameter, or we can say those distance between two. If it is circular path, we'll say as diameter, or distance between those slit or those centers. Okay, is it difficult to understand, guys? Is it difficult? Actually, this was also asked in advanced question also. Similar way. Okay, let's do some other type. Okay, this one you can do, I think so. Diverging lengths of magnitude of focal length 25 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a converging length of a magnitude focal length 20 centimeter. A beam of parallel lines falls on the diverging lens. The final image form is something. It's something you find out. Will you try this? Can you try this? Adyasha? Shruti? Okay, try. Dhairya? What about you? Will you try this question? Okay, let's see. Yes, people. What happened? Need some hint? Should I draw a diagram and show you, or you are doing it? Mohammed Jafar. Adisha. Shruti. What happened? Dhairya. This is not new question. We can try. Same formula. Dhairya. What's your answer? You didn't finish solving. D answer. Okay, let me check. Yes, it is D. Very good. Shruti. Shruti. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Are you able to solve?
Yes, sir. I'm almost there.
Okay.
I got D only, sir.
B.
D.
B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So real distance 40 centimeter from diverging lens. Okay. No dear, it should be converging lens. Let's see. How? I'll draw image. You can see that. See, first, a diverging lens means this one. Okay. Then there is a converging lens of focal length, whatever. So what is the distance between them? 15 centimeter. So ray parallel, it's diverged to a point it will form somewhere here. You don't know this distance. You need to find out. This distance is given, that is 25 centimeter. Okay. Let's take this as a I1, image 1, and here it will be image 2. Okay. So object for I1, object distance for I1, let's take this as 15 and this 20. So minus 15 plus 25, which is minus 40. Minus 40 centimeter, that is your object distance. And focus is 20 centimeter is given. So lens formula 1 by V equals to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40. 22. So it will be 40 only, right? 2 minus 1, 40, yes. 40 centimeter. So we got as positive here. So it is real. And image is formed on converging side. Where is 40 and converging? B or D? B is, it is diverging. So converging this one, D option. So what I did here, I just found V and it is positive. That means it's a real image. And it forms right side, that is out from the converging lens, out of converging lens at 40 centimeter. Understood, everyone? Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Adesha, what you did? How you got the answer? Which way you did? Tell us.
Sir, actually, this type of questions we did in mirror type of things, sir. Like a plane mirror will be placed in front of a concave or convex mirror. So that type of questions I can solve. I use that idea only in that.
No problem. Anyway, you're done. See, there are so many ways of solving question. So you just followed that method, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you got also D. Okay. ठीक. What about Daria? Did you got D? Or you thought of B? Daria? In hot summer night, the diffractive index of air is smallest near the ground and increase with height from the ground. When light beam is directed horizontally, the Huygens principle leads us to conclude that as it travels, the light beams dash. Now think of it. It's just one line answer. by Huygens principle, mu sine theta equals to or constant. So sine theta is proportional to 1 by mu. What does it mean? Mu increase, theta decrease. So light beam will bend upward. This type of questions are easy questions and like you can say time saving. But when we go with kinematics, those type of questions are calculated. So balance both. Use less time in this type of question and more time in calculated question, like we're going to do integration, differentiation, all those things. Do it carefully. Okay? Okay, try this question. These are some general knowledge question. So for total internal refraction, what are the conditions? Remember, it should travel from denser to rarer. Remember those points. Then critical angle should be more than or equal to, sorry, less than or equal to angle of incidence. Angle of incidence should be, you can say, greater than or equals to critical angle. Formula C sine inverse mu rarer by mu denser. Sine C equals to, for this case, sine C equals to 1 by n of water. So n of water to solve this. So it should be A plus B by lambda square. Now what are these things? Let's study this. If no need to like solve this way in exam, just formula is enough. But for your understanding, I'm writing here, so you'll remember these points. If frequency of this one is less, lambda must be greater. Obviously, frequency is less, then lambda will be greater. So, refractive index of water is less. So, critical angle will be also increase here. Therefore, increase. So in this case, what happens? They do not suffer any refraction. What's critical angle? Angle at this point. This is green light, which this is critical angle C. This is water. This is air. Yeah, sure. So critical angle increases here. So what happens when critical angle increase? They do not suffer any reflection. So then if they do not suffer reflection, that means angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. So here for this option is B. Spectrum of visible light whose frequency is less than that of green light. It is less than 90 degree. Okay. Yes, dear. Are you doing it? Write those points which I gave here. Okay. This question Adesha gave. She wants to get explanation. Okay, you try this question, I'll give you explanation. Okay. Let me share to others also. Have everyone finished writing? Guys? Shruti? Dhairya? Complete solving. Shall we change screen? I want to show you the question which she gave. Yes, okay. Yeah. Can you see the question, everyone? Is it visible to all? Atisha?
It's visible.
Okay. So now what the question says, let's read. A container completely filled with water, that is 4/3, okay, and has a scratch at its bottom. An observer look at the scratch from the height 1 meter above the surface. So it's similar. So it is looking from 1 meter above. A small hole is made on the wall of the container. Okay. And very close to its bottom so that water flows out. When the level of water reduced to half, the hole is closed. It appears to the observer that the scratch has moved away by the distance 25 centimeter relative to its initial position. Find the initial level of water in the container. Okay, so find out the first one, like 1 meter, convert this centimeter to meters. That's it. And find out difference from that. So mu we have, right? So suppose it's moved from x distance to 1 meter, and it's moved from it's moved from x distance to 1 meter, and again this moves from 25 centimeter away. So from this one we can find out some distance moved value. How much distance is moved value? It's easy actually. If you see this way, let me share my screen. Suppose total distance is y, or let's take standard question, that is x. X for height is given how much? Wait, what was height given? 1 meter. 1 meter, and x, same difference for, this is 25 centimeters, so plus 0.25, and which is refractive index was given how much? 4/3. So if we use this directly, we can find out x value, whatever it is. 4, let's say 4, 25 means 1, 3, 2. I think so. 4x and 3x. So minus 1x.
So x is equals to 2.
Even I'm getting x equals to 2. Meters.
Sir, but why did we divide like this? Can you explain? Like x plus 1 and then taking x plus 0.25.
Now see here. What is the question here? This says it is moved by this distance. So how much it moved? So actual distance was some 25 centimeters they wrote, right? Yeah, 25 centimeter. So it is moved away by 25 centimeters. So x was the original, and it moved away by 25 centimeters. So in same way, initial level of height again it's same, it moved somewhat 100 centimeter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So it moved by that much. So we are assuming both as same here. We assumed here both as same. That both distance moved and height moved, that is x. So here x means here it will come as 1 plus 2, 3 meters, and here 25 centimeter means 2.25 meters. It moved that way. So movement of that height and what is that? What is 25 here? Distance. So height and distance both are similar.
Yes, sir.
So we used as a ratio of those. Ratio of height and distance is equals to a refractive index. Because other things is not given, so we have to compare with that.
Yes.
I think so. You will find more question in Google also like this, similar question, because there are so many. There will be so many questions in Google like that. Because
This question was given in my school's worksheet, sir.
yeah, you will find this type of question, more question in Google also, because these are like
Yes.
standard question which they ask in exams sometimes. But when you're searching in Google, mostly toppers questions answers are not correct.